So why is this guy, this COACHMC with a small time channel telling me what success looks like? I don't need anybody to tell me what success looks like. That's ridiculous. Really? Now that's interesting, because if I say the word success, automatically your brain will align this word with those great and expansive looking pictures, with those grand and crispy and sexy looking images, you know, that we know from Instagram and Facebook and all the media outlets and the corporations and the advertising world that are dictating us on a daily basis how success has to look like. And guess what? If we comply to that and we adjust to those desires of the outer world on how we should behave, on how we should dress up, and how we should act on a daily basis, we won't be happy at all. So I'm introducing a new word into this equation. You see, happiness. Where does happiness come from? Does it come from wealth, or does it come from success? Does it come from materialistic goods that we own, or luxurious products that we can buy? Is that happiness? If we get dictated what we need in order to feel accomplished, we will always run for those things. We will be constantly chasing those products, those accomplishments, those achievements, those rewards. If we think that as an actor, I need the Oscar to be happy, yeah, what's next? What's coming after the Oscar? Another Oscar, of course. And then the third Oscar, and the fourth, and the fifth. After the Lamborghini, the Ferrari. After the Ferrari, I need a Maserati. After the Maserati, I need a Bugatti. It looks like success, so I need to do it. You are consuming success. You are cannibalizing success as a reason for living. So it will use you. The more things you have, the more the things will have you. You're not living it. You're not using it. You're not enjoying it. Always on the hunt means you will be never satisfied. You will never be happy. How do you get happy? By choosing what you want to do. Having freedom of choices makes you happy. And this is truly important, whether you are a newbie and you're just starting off as an actor, or you're a seasoned actor who's enjoying just a respectable amount of success already. It's truly important, of course, to know your purpose, why you're here in the first place, because you want to inspire people, you want to give them something special, when you use your creativity and put it into action with your skills to let the audience forget their worries for 2 hours straight. That's beautiful. It's a great mission. And that already is part of success. But if you see success as being the roof, then knowing your purpose is one column that supports that roof. The second column is the freedom of choices, of your choices. Being the master of your environment, of your directions, of your work. That's why I say be your own MC, the master of your own content, the master of your own creativity, the master of your own ceremony. Don't let anyone dictate you what your ceremony has to look like. You are your own MC. And if success is the roof, the first column is your purpose, the second column is being the master of your own content. Having the freedom of choice, that will make you happy to choose how, when, and what. You see how this triangulation works? And the third position of this triangle is to determine what success actually looks like for you, at your core. It's not the outer world dictating you that you have to buy stupid stuff to be happy. No, it's you, at your essence, at your core, knowing where you need to go because you are listening to your heart. How to become a successful actor means knowing what success actually is. And that is so easy and so hard at the same time. It's not a finite process at all. It's a marathon. It's a always questioning process. Something that would be active for the rest of your life. But I can assure you this, once you got this triangle figured out for yourself, your roof will be stable and symmetric. Your roof that is supported by these columns, and it will hold, withstand even the strongest tempest. It will be the roof for your life, for your environment, for your people, for your family. And under this roof, you can collect so many beautiful things. And all that, ultimately, is success. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and sticking with us till the end. It was a true pleasure and a privilege to share this knowledge, this experience with you guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought of this, what you do to determine what success means to you and how you shape it every day, what kind of instruments and tools you use. I'm truly curious. You know, if you're here for the first time, like I said, consider subscribing. And hit that like button, guys. We're, dedicating our time to you guys to make the best content possible. And your payment is so easy. Just click the button and let us know with a thumbs up that this content had value to you and to your process. Thanks so much. See you with the next video, guys.